Hey guys, this is Haris from teamandroid.com, and here I have the new Vivo V11 Pro. This phone was just recently launched in my country, and here we have it for a full review. We'll do the full review here on our YouTube channel and on the website as well. But for now, I would really like to talk about two of the best features that come inside this phone. Vivo V11 Pro is a mid-range phone and it features similar specs to other mid-range devices. This phone has a big 6.4 inches Super AMOLED display. It's a full HD display. Secondly, it comes with a micro USB slot at the bottom. I really hope they stop using micro USB and move on to the USB-C side. It comes with 3.5mm audio jack. It has bottom speakers. Then it comes with two cameras at the back. One is a 12 megapixel sensor and the other is a 5 megapixel sensor. It also has a flash, and on the front side it comes with a 25 megapixel camera. Vivo phones have always been about taking brighter and better selfies. Well, this phone takes really good selfies, but with that it also takes some really good shots from the back camera. We'll get more into the camera later in a full review. For now, I would really like to show you the two of the best features that are inside this phone. One is the fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor, and the other one is the super fast face unlock feature that comes in this phone. The face unlock feature in this phone is like the fastest I've ever seen on any smartphone. It's super fast. Like if I just press the power button right now, it's still searching for my face. But obviously can't see because I'm behind a camera. But let me just give you a quick look at how fast it is. Let me just put my camera up near my face and then I'll show it to you. So press the power button. Boom, there you go. That's it. That's how fast it is. Let me show you again. Now if I press the power button, and we're in without any extra effort. It's faster than maybe it takes less than a second. I mean, look at that. Wow, okay, it didn't detect my face, I was behind the camera. I'll do it again. And done. That's it, once more. There we go. Face unlock feature is extremely fast. I've used face unlock on the iPhone X, on OnePlus phones, on Samsung phones, but this one, like, no phone comes closer to the face unlock feature on the Vivo V11 Pro. Next, I would like to talk about the in-display fingerprint scanner. This is not the first Vivo phone to have it, and I'm sure they'll be adding this same fingerprint scanner into a number of their future phones. But for now, let me show you how this scanner works. So when the screen is off, or you'll always see this indicator fingerprint image on your phone screen. Since it's a Super AMOLED display, it won't take a lot of your battery because the rest of the pixels are all off. So in this case, like if you place the phone on a table, this will go out maybe a few seconds later. But as soon as you pick up the phone back again, it will show the image again. So you can. So this is just to indicate, like, really have to keep your thumb or whatever finger you want to unlock the phone with. So the phone can detect your fingerprint. Let me just show it to you again. Yeah, there it is. And that's it. See, it was really cool. It looks really cool. But let me just show it to you again. See, done. It's actually a fancy feature at the moment, and Vivo claims they have made it like about 50% faster than their previous phones. That's a huge improvement, and I'm sure we'll be looking at a lot more improvements in their upcoming phones. But for now, it's really cool. Like, you can, like, the phone is really nice, neat and clean. No extra buttons, no spaces for any fingerprint scanners or whatsoever. You just have to, like, place your thumb on the screen and there you go, it's inside. One extra feature that Vivo has added into the phone to improve security and the speed of unlocking your phone, that is that you can actually combine the face unlock feature and the fingerprint scanner. So as soon as you try to unlock your phone, the phone will try to detect both your face and the fingerprint scanner at the same time, and then it will unlock. That is more of an added security feature for those who are worried that the phone can be unlocked using a picture or something else. You can have both of these, so your phone is a lot more secure. This is it for now, but we'll be doing a full review of this phone. Hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such short videos, and definitely the full review as well. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.